This phone is here for camera lens replacement. Look at the camera lens on the top one, that's broken. So let's change it. All I need the tweezer to just take out the glass from the big piece of the glasses. So just pull up a little bit and you can easily remove big pieces of the glass. Look at this, see? So after removing that thing, I put some rubbing alcohol so it will melt the glue and make my job easy. So after this glue, I need that craft knife. So just pull towards upwards actually, and be careful, it's a sharp, so don't pull towards you, pull opposite side, and take out all small pieces of the glasses. You can see you can see after removing that thing, to remove the glue which is on the body of the spoon. You need a microfiber cloth to clean that thing and clean the camera also. So here's that. So just here's the lens. So just double check there is no glue on the surface, because then your camera lens will not sit properly. So just install the adhesive tape first. So just properly align, and I press those things so it will grip the body. Just take out the upper protector of the adhesive tape. So now it's double-sided tape. So this is the lens. What I usually do, I just take out the one side and the other lamination I leave, so it's very easy you to handle, and just properly put on this and remove that lamination, and this is ready. If you like that video, please thumbs up, like and subscribe my channel, and share with your friend. See you in the next video.